Very good morning students. Today we are going to see the small signal hybrid pi equivalent model of field effect transistor and metal oxide semiconductor field effect transistor. For both JFET and MOSFET, the small signal equivalent model circuit is common. We have three terminals: gate, source and drain. With respect of this gate and source terminal, we can find the open circuit voltage, that is VGS, and at the same time the drain is closed with source. We can find the current from drain to source, which is called as drain current, that is ID. Based on this ID, we can find one current element in terms of transconductance GM and VGS. So here the drain current is flowing from drain to source terminal, and at the same time the open circuit voltage can be obtained between gate and source terminal. This is the small signal equivalent model. So for any transistor can be replaced by this small signal equivalent pi model. Based on the terminals, we have three configurations. The first one is common source, the second one is common gate, then the third one is common drain. Now we are going to analyze the common source configuration and common gate configurations in terms of resistance and gain factor. First, we will see the common source configuration. This is the structure of common source configuration. This is the symbol of JFET. The three terminals of JFET are gate, source and drain. We will construct the FET based amplifiers by using resistors and capacitors. For small signal analysis, we can remove the capacitors from the circuit because the capacitors are AC elements. In small signal analysis, the frequency will not be considered. This is AC input signal. For the small signal analysis, we can take the instantaneous value of the AC signal. It can be connected with the gate terminal by using internal source resistance, and the gate resistance is grounded. This transistor can be replaced by its equivalent pi model with the help of open circuit voltage VGS and current element GM and VGS in parallel with the R0. R0 is the internal output resistance. Here we can consider the external resistance also, that is RD, and load resistance. After removing the biasing signal, from the circuit, we can obtain the small signal hybrid pi model, in which all the resistance are in parallel. So, with respect of this gate terminal, we can find the input resistance. With respect of this drain terminal, we can find the output resistance. In small signal hybrid pi model of the common source configuration, we have to identify the expressions for input resistance, output resistance and gain factor. Here the input resistance is gain resistance, since we have a single branch with the source voltage. The input resistance is Rg. While we are talking about the output resistance, we have to consider the R0 and drain resistance, where both are in parallel. So, R0 is equal to R0 parallel with Rd. Then, we have to find the expression for the voltage gain factor. For the small signal hybrid pi model, the input is VGS, open circuit voltage, and the V0 is the output voltage. GV is the gain factor, that is the ratio between output voltage to the input voltage, that is VGS. We have to find the relationship between these two. By considering the input side, we can get one gain factor, that is V0 by VGS. Similarly, by considering the output side, we can find one more expression, that is VGS by V signal. This is input side, this is output side. With respect of this input side, VGS is the output voltage, V signal is the input voltage. So, we can find one gain factor, VGS by V signal. Similarly, by considering the output side, we can find V0 as the response, then VGS as the input signal. So, the one more gain factor is ratio of output voltage to the input voltage, that is VGS. The product of these two will be the gain factor of this entire system. Here VGS get cancelled, or otherwise we can find the relationship between the VGS and input signal after applying the voltage divider network, because the RG is in series with the source signal. So, we can apply the voltage division rule. According to voltage division rule, VGS is equal to V input signal into branch resistance divided by total resistance. Now, we can relate our output voltage with the open circuit voltage VGS. That is the product of current and the total resistance will be the output voltage. So, V0 is equal to minus GM VGS into R0 parallel with RD parallel with RL. So, from that we can find the ratio of V0 to VGS, which is voltage gain factor. Now we will move on to the next one, common gate configuration. So whereas the gate terminal is grounded, at the same time the input AC signal is given as the input signal to the source terminal, and output is measured from the drain terminal. Here also the transistor can be replaced by its equivalent pi model circuit in terms of transconductance and current element. Along with this output terminal, we can connect the parallel connection of drain resistance and load resistance. And the AC input signal is given to the source via the source resistance or signal. At this source point, we can find the input resistance. So that is the reciprocal of the transconductance. And at the same time, from the drain to source, we can find the direction of drain current ID. In our analysis of the common gate configuration, we have to find the expression for input resistance, output resistance and gain factor. Here the input resistance or I is equal to VI by IA. According to Ohm's law, R input is equal to V input divided by I input. Here the I input can be expressed in terms of transconductance and voltage. The voltage VI get cancelled, so R input is equal to the reciprocal of transconductance. By considering this entire circuit, the output resistance can be expressed in terms of drain resistance. When we are talking about the voltage gain factor for this common gate configuration, we can find the output stage gain factor as well as the input stage gain factor. So VI by V signal is the input stage gain factor, whereas V signal is the input. VI is the voltage at the input terminal. Here the input terminal is source. So the input gain factor is VI by V signal. Then the output gain factor is V0 by VI. For this small signal model, the input is VI, the output is V0. So the ratio between these two is the gain factor of the output stage. So the gain factor of the entire network is V0 by V signal. So here we can express our V0 in terms of VI. Total resistance into voltage divided by Ri will be the V0. Here 1 by Ri is the transconductance. So V0 is equal to Gm Vi into Rd parallel with RL. Here V input signal is known value. At this source terminal, we can find Vi after applying voltage division rule. So V signal into branch resistance divided by total resistance will be Vi. Here the input resistance can be replaced in terms of transconductance. So Ri by 1 by Gm by 1 by Gm plus R signal. After simplification, Vi is equal to V signal divided by 1 plus Gm R signal. the ratio of V0 to V signal will be the gain factor of this entire system. So for this common gate configuration, GB is equal to GM RD parallel with RL divided by 1 plus GM into R signal. So these are all the procedures to analyze a small signal equivalent hybrid pi model of JFET and MOSFET. Thank you, students.